Hey, how's it going? My name is Yarrow, and I'm the founder of Yarrow.dev, a software agency where we build awesome web applications with Next.js, React, and other technologies. Today is part 2 of the Building a SaaS from Scratch series, where I build Vidly.ai, a project management software for creators. And I'll give you a quick product demo of what I have so far. The MVP is not finished yet, but it's getting close to being complete. So if I go here, you can try it out on app.vidly.ai, and it might already be in MVP stage by the time this video comes out, but feel free to play around with it and let me know if you have any issues or any feedback. Always appreciated. So diving in, we have the content epics. So this is the pieces of content. For me, I have this video right here that I'm filming, which is the video update on vidly.ai. I can open this up. I've got some details here in the description, the title, which I can edit, and it's super smooth. This is Notion-like kind of description editing, and I can add headings and stuff like that. I've got the priority, which I can select. I've got the owner, which is me, and the deadline, which I've set to today. And the publishing date is set to the 7th of August, but we will see. It might come out sooner, might come out later, but this is the initial publishing date that I have planned. We've got some links here that I've added. So basically you can add a link for a script, which is the script that I'm using here. So I can click on it, and this is the plan for this video. And also I'm going to add additional links once I have these ready. So for example, the raw video files, I'm going to upload to Google Drive. I'm going to place them right here. So then the editor that will edit this video can just go in here, click on the link, open Google Drive, download the files. He knows where everything is. And then the edited files, you can link here as well. For example, frame.io, and then I can go in and check the edit. And then here we're going to link to the published video, and I'm going to have a bunch of cool functionality where I'm going to check the captions of the published video. And if you say something like, I'm going to put this in the description, or click on the screen right now, it will tell you those action items. And if that link is not in the description, it will tell you that you need to remember to put that into the description, stuff like that. And then just general tracking in terms of A/B tests and stuff like that. So yeah, a really useful section here with the links. And then tasks, it has the specific tasks related to the videos. So for example, we have, let's say we want to make a new task, which is edit the video, and I'm gonna link it to this specific epic here, which is the video that I'm filming. And once I add the assigning and inviting features, I'm gonna be able to invite my editor here, and they will be able to take this task and progress it from here to done, right? Yeah, so in terms of product, this is where we're at right now. This is kind of the core of it. We're gonna add calendar and activity next. I'm gonna speak about that in a second. Content epics themselves, this functionality, and you can see how smooth the drag and drop is. So engineering wise, this is really kind of a tough challenge to make it so responsive and so quick. And mind you, I'm now in a very kind of quiet rural area, like a farming-ish area in Italy. So my internet is actually not that great, and it's still super duper quick and responsive. Like, look at this, I can move it, reload, and the database state is synced, and it's gonna be right in the right place. And if I rename it to something like this, then it's going to be instantly synced, and everything is kind of instantaneous and feels super instantaneous to the user. I had to build my own implementation of Use Optimistic to do this, so built my own kind of implementation, because app router server-side server actions didn't do the trick. They were kind of slow, and the revalidation was like a second or 2 seconds, but this is like millisecond stuff, like instantaneous stuff that I build here. So if you're interested in more of the detailed architecture of the product, I can make some videos on that. But yeah, if you're interested in having any SaaS product built for your internal software at your company, my company, Yarrow.dev, we build stuff like this every single day. We've done it for a number of larger companies, Fortune 500s, and smaller companies, startups, and companies in between. So feel free to check out yarrow.dev and have a look at my case studies, and you can always book a call with me if you are interested in working together. Passing on to the customer feedback. So customer feedback, I've spoken with a couple of my friends that are YouTubers, and they've given me some feedback on the tool that helped me navigate and kind of figure out what I'm going to do next. So the plan for the tool next is to basically finish the MVP, have the invitation to workspace feature, have it the activity history feature, so you can see what somebody did. Like if I move this from here to here, it's going to say Yarrow has moved add caption to video from in progress to blocked. So then the person managing the the team, basically the YouTuber or whoever is managing the team, will be able to tell if something has been blocked, and I'm going to add notifications later on, but not for the MVP. Then we're going to have calendar view. Calendar view is going to be useful, so when you see on the epics, I can see that the date here is set, the deadline is set to today, and publishing date is set. These dates are going to be overlaid onto my calendar and onto my team's calendar, and I can view all of that in one place, so I can see when the videos are going out and when everybody has different commitments. So yeah, that's going to be really useful, and that's kind of it for the MVP. Yeah, I'm going to add pixels, session replay, and sentry.io, so that's to monitor usage and figure out if there's any errors and spot basically problems with a project, and then add a way to link the YouTube channel to the tool, so that the user signed in, then we can see who's using our tool, and we can then add useful functionality with linking and stuff like that with the like what I mentioned with the captions. So then building a landing page in Framer. So currently we've got this landing page that I'm just got a template of, and I started editing the copy of it. So main value prop is simple project management for creators. My friends really emphasize the simplicity is key. They already spent money on building like very complex Notion workflows and stuff like that didn't do the trick. And so simplicity is really the key here. They really emphasize that. So I'm going to target the basics. I'm going to have a lean feature set. And my goal is to simply make video production easy. That's the goal. There's no fancy AI innovation, no magic just yet. Gonna add some AI stuff later, but what I'm worried about right now is just making a good product that is useful, and it's better than what they have now, which is just texting on WhatsApp and hey, is this done? And what status is this in? And oh, we forgot to book these flights because nobody wrote it down. Like this, solving the big issue is this thing. The other AI stuff, the other cool add-ons, that's a secondary part. But the first part is like, we're gonna make an awesome product. And that's the key. That's kind of what I'm really focusing on right now. So yeah, landing page, we've got cold outbound I'm gonna set up with emails. I built a product called Winfluencer. You can find it on rapidapi.com if you look for YouTuber emails. And that is an API with hundreds of thousands of YouTuber emails. You put in the YouTube channel ID, you get the email. I'm gonna use this to basically automate outbound campaigns and email sending to YouTubers. And then I'm gonna run TikTok ads, Facebook ads, Instagram, and make content on those platforms as well for this. So yeah, that's kind of the update for the tool. Let me know your thoughts if you want me to help you with your SaaS product or your internal software application at your company. As I said, I have tons of case studies with different sizes of companies and different use cases. So let me know. And if you want to suggest any changes to the tool or any video ideas, anything else, always appreciate it. And any other kind of feedback is always appreciated in the comments. So yeah, thanks a lot. And yeah, soon I'm going to release some videos. So the next ones are going to be building the landing page, marketing setup, and the product demo on its own. So right now I gave you kind of a quick overview, but once the MVP is done, I'm actually going to make a proper product demo video that I can also include on my landing page. So that's the plan. I'm really excited. Let me know what you guys think, and see you at the next one.